Hey guys, Black Feather Snipes back at you with another video. Today I just wanted to go over what I do. So I just wanted to clarify when I'm getting into these plays, it doesn't matter if it's bull season or Bitcoin season or altcoin season or when it's the bear market. I look at that individual play. So it can be, in the middle of a bear market and you can still find me getting longs on plays. And the reason I say that is because, look at this as I go to crypto bubbles, you can see plays, this year. So this isn't Bitcoin season, this isn't altcoin season. And you see all these plays, Pendo up 2,000%, Hello up 1,800%. A lot of these plays up, over 1,000%, and this isn't even in, the midst of the bull cycle. And a lot of this stuff was up before Bitcoin even started running. Bitcoin just started running, the last month, 2 months. Um, Bitcoin was just at 27,000. So before Bitcoin was even doing anything, these plays were already up thousands of percent. So that's what I mean. There's always opportunity in bears in the bear market, the bull market, even before the cycles even happen, and that's what I'm doing. If it's in the middle of the bear market or in the middle of the bull market, you can see me, getting shorts maybe. Um, but you guys, I just look at, that individual play and what I'm seeing on the charts. So I can just go over, a couple examples. Um, like I said, for let's just go over Bitcoin. So, like I said, Bitcoin was just at 26,000. So as you can see, it has been moving up this year, but uh, at this point, when it crossed the MACD down here, it crossed at like 26,000. So I would have been a buyer of Bitcoin at 26,000 because it crossed the MACD, and I would have sold it, maybe a little bit too early, but I would have sold it, at 35,000. Then I would have stayed out of it and then bought it back again, at a higher price, but I would have got in again at 37,000, and I would be holding it till, right now at 44,000 or 43,000. So that's what I'm saying, guys. It doesn't matter, what season I'm in. I'm gonna follow my strategy. That you're always gonna in the middle of bear season where all you see is red. You're still gonna have some plays that's going up, and if you catch those plays at the right time, you can ride that up. Is it prudent to do that? I would say yes because um, it's on that individual play. But once again, you should be following the market as a whole. I wouldn't be necessarily looking for bullish plays in the bear market. But if I stumbled upon one, and it met my parameters, I would execute that trade. Even though in the bear market I would be looking for bear plays, but if I found a play that just crossed the MACD, the RSI was ticking up, the green candles was getting bigger and bigger and bigger, I would get in on that play, that specific play, but I would still be bearish on the entire market. So I just wanted to clarify with you guys what I'm doing, and that's different from, when I do long term investments. When I do, this is just when I'm trading crypto. When it's the difference between trading and investing. When I'm investing in my crypto, I'm just thinking about holding it for, years and years, like with Bitcoin. Yeah, it's at 43,000 right now. I'm just dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin because in my mind I'm thinking, okay, this is going to be over $1 million asset. So yeah, it is high right now, which is why I'm gonna just dollar cost average into it. That's why I'm just buying some, every 2 weeks when I get my paycheck, and just buying the highs, buying the lows, because in 10 years, you're going to be wish you had it at 43,000. And like I said, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion, and this is how I'm thinking about it. This is the how I'm trading it. Me seeing 43,000, I'm thinking I'm gonna wish I had it again at these levels come 10, 20 years from now. And like I said, this is a deflationary asset. You look at the overall markets, them printing out money left and right, for all these types of things, for Ukraine and everything else that they're giving money for. Just printing, I mean, they print money regardless of anything. So, I think they printed so much, like, I forgot who it was, but they had like doubled the national debt in 4 years. It might have been Obama, and I think Trump he like added to the deficit as well. So it doesn't matter who's in office; they're gonna add to the debt level. But I'm just saying, guys, when I'm investing, this is how I'm thinking about it for the long term. I'm thinking about where is this play going to be at 10, 20 years from now. Um, but when I'm trading, I'm looking at that individual play and does it meet my trading parameters. But that's all I want to clarify with this video, guys. Let me know what you think. I'll get back at you later. Give me a like, give me a follow, give me a subscribe. Click that notification bell so you always get my content. And that's all for this video, guys. Peace.